Hello. Today I'm going to show something that's called a self-centering drill, and actually this is a drill for carpentry, but I found it to be useful to drill centered holes in pins. So when you order it, and this is the only ones that I found, you get a pack of 4, and everywhere I look, they're all the same strange inch sizes, like 7 divided by 64, 5 divided by 64, 11 divided by 64. Not sure what that means, but the one that we're interested in from the pack is this. This is the 7 divided by 64. So let's first look at how this works. Basically, you have a holder and a spring-loaded guide thing. So when you press against something, the guider pulls in and out, and as you see, the drill is inside of it, inside a small tunnel. So let's disassemble it. Okay, so this is basically the holder. It holds the drill bit, and the 7 by 64 holds a 2mm drill bit. But when you get it, the diameter of the hole is obviously 2mm. So the first thing I did was to drill a larger hole, the size of a pin, in it. So this hole is on the outside. I don't know if you can see the lip here, but I drilled a tiny bit of it to 2.9mm. So now it fits exactly to a standard pin. So I guess you can see where this is going, because when I will press on the drill, it will tap that pin exactly on the center. So you might think that when I did this hole, it might not be centered, but actually, since I'm only enlarging an existing hole, if you have a drill bit with the centering property, meaning the end is a triangular end, then this hole will be as centered as the original hole. So this problem does not exist. Also, what I did is I replaced the original drill bit that was here with a shorter drill bit, because I want the pin to go into the hole without touching the drill first. So let's assemble it, and now it goes through this tunnel into, wait, I forgot this bit. And of course, this is what happens on camera. Now the easiest way to assemble it is press on this end. So because the drill bit is shorter than the original, you need to press it, otherwise it will not properly go into the tunnel that guides it. Okay, so as you can see, it works now, and we're ready to use it with our drill to create a centered hole. So let's do that. I have the pin set up in my large drill, but really you can use any type of drill, even a small 12-volt drill. We don't have anything special going on here. Only we need to make sure that when the drill bit is pressed against the pin goes into the cavity that we created, and the 2.9 millimeter cavity that we created inside the centering drill bit. So I lowered the drill bit, and now I'm pressing it so that the drill bit touches the pin. So let's drill. Okay, let's see the results. Okay, so this is the result. As you can see, we created a pretty good centered hole inside that pin. This was using a 2 millimeter drill. If you need a smaller hole, you could just tap the pin and to create a tiny starter hole, and then use any bit diameter that you want. Well, thank you for watching and have a nice day.